Hello everyone, my name is Jen. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making classic French toast. Yep. Yum 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 yum. So let's get started. Okay, first things, I'm gonna show you the ingredients you will need. So you will need some thick bread. I'm using wholemeal bread today. Actually not wholemeal, brown bread today. For 4 slices I used 2 eggs. Gonna use some milk, about 4 tablespoons, sugar, salt, some squatty cream or and syrup or whipped cream, and cooking oil, of course. Yeah, so first thing, you're gonna break the eggs. Use a wide bowl so that you can be able to dip your bread in it. So for the salt, I'm gonna put like a pinch of salt, maybe 2 pinches of salt. And then for the sugar, I believe I used about 3/4 of a tablespoon, but you can adjust to your liking, because at the end of the day you still have the syrup and the whipped cream which have sugar, so you don't have to. So yeah, beat the egg. We're going to add milk. I was trying to measure it. Okay, before the milk, I forgot to mention you will need vanilla if you have. It's optional, you don't have to, but it has a nice taste. So like a 1/4 teaspoon vanilla or 1/2 teaspoon vanilla. Just always give a taste to see everything is alright. So for the milk, I was trying to measure it, but I couldn't put it in the spoon. But I believe I used 4 tablespoons of milk approximately. I just couldn't do it, so I just used my eyes, but yep, looks to me like 4 tablespoons. And then mix it up thoroughly. Meanwhile, the pan is getting hot. Yep, so check my pan is hot enough. Just put like a splash of oil or butter if you have. Spread it all over the pan. Then you're going to dip your bread fully into it. Quickly though, but if you like it a bit thick, yeah, you can leave it for a while, but I do it quick because I don't want it to be too eggy. So dip it and put it in the pan. Check on the heat. Looks like it's taking a while, but when the pan is hot, it's like a minute or so on either side. And yeah, before I flip it, I'll just put a little bit more oil on that and then flip it on the other side. This is a quick breakfast, takes about 5 minutes to do this. Maybe even faster if I was not recording, but with the recording it took me 5 minutes, so it's a quick breakfast if you just want to have an egg another way other than omelette or scramble or whatever. Yep, so you just repeat the process for the next one. Same, put some little oil in the pan, then dip the bread in the egg, flip it on the other side, and put it in the pan until you finish everything. So now everything is ready. I'm just gonna put it in the plate the way I do. So I put toast, then I put the syrup. I try not to put too much because it's quite sweet, but everybody's different. And then I layer it. I skip the next one because I'm gonna put the whipped cream on top of the cream, so I tried to skip one, syrup one, like that. And then finally, when I was about to do the whipped cream, I found out I didn't have any, but it's a nice addition when you do, so try it with that. Yay, and here's my French toast. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video and you can share with me your opinion. Yep, thank you for watching. Thank you, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.